Close up on the tears.
Dog. I feel like when my first girl left me. Oh, go on, squad. Oh, you guys are dealing, eh? Hey, what a squad are dealing, eh? Hey guys, so if you like the shirt I'm wearing, this is from my brother's company. You guys know Richie, rate him. Nightlypower.com, check it out.
Turn it up. Step up in this bitch like turn it up.
But before you support him, make sure you support me too. So toplotja.com, you can get your merch. We have new designs coming out quite often. We have a lot in store. Working on it to be able to get some stuff cheaper for you guys in Jamaica, locally. Just getting the logistics sorted out. But once that's done, we'll have some merch for you guys. You see me, dog? Hey! So guys, what are we gonna get up to today? So today now, I am flying to Miami. Why? My family's up there. It's Christmas time, it's family time, it's the best season. Yo, I really respect and rate the support. And you know guys, nearly at 1,000 subs. This has been a crazy journey so far. All the originals, big up yourself. Big up Bougie from Belize, big up yourself. And big up Kingpin, Super Sounds, Hey Hey, Abba Dabba, Sosa Puppy. Those are some of the ones that comment on almost every single video. So I'm sure you guys like every single video. I really appreciate it. So I just want to tell you guys, big up to the rest of the fans, the subscribers and thing. Yo, means the world to me. Thank you for your support, and I'm just going to try keep getting and making shit better and better for you guys. You see me? So just stay on the lookout. We have a lot of plans. We have a lot of cool things coming. Yeah, let's just go on this journey together, guys. Let's just go and have fun. You see me? Yes. I love it here. I love it here. I could just stay here all day. Yo, so we're going squad. We're there with my ready. I'm back off. That's hot mommy number 3. All of them just breed like what do you think they do at night? Jeez. You guys on work and thing. So I reach a foreign. Look, oh, hey, watch daddy with the merch. Yeah. Toplotja.com. Are we going fishing tomorrow?
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, maybe. Huh? Maybe. Yeah, maybe, huh? Huh? So we can go fish tomorrow?
Whatever I do is dependent on what your mother allows me to do, so...
You hear that, guys? Happy wife means you have to suck it the fuck up. I just want you all to know Suzuki is the #1 most reliable brand, best vehicle in the world. Watch here. Even a foreign. That is Barbara, what you say? Fuck girl and boss going?
No.
Guys here. Hi grandma.
Look at that.
Hi grandma.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. We're back with Lady Di finally.
It's good to see you, my precious. Merry Christmas when it comes.
Thank you. You'll be with me. You get fucked. You're stuck with me.
Wagwan squad.
So guys, you know who this is. This is Uncle Max. Auntie Caroline is over there. Say hi.
Stop biting.
Stop biting up the tail. Oh, wait, are you an animal? No, you're just cute. Alright. So right now we're going to go fishing. So I just come to show you guys. We got the tackle, the rods, bucket, net. I think we have drinks and stuff in there. No happy dads this time. We ain't drinking and driving. We're gonna go get some live bait, right, Nick?
Yeah.
All right, and then watch out, my turn. Watch out. Sit. Hey.
Just wait till he gets here, James, and then.
No, sir.
You can the one that Mr. Room tell me that I weigh 149 this morning. That scale is malfunctioning. All right, go on now.
Wait, you have to hold it so you can't see the weight.
Listen
Come,
to me.
hold it now. You work here, work, man.
You pay me?
No.
What? 137.5.
Yeah, and that's all my balls.
You need 3 pounds.
Walk on squad. So, setting up now. It's a gate right there. I think it's actually 2 of them. I believe it might be mating season now. Nick, let me just see. Yeah. Nice little fish.
£1/4 Oscar.
Oh. Yes, do you see that? You have your fish? So guys, here we are with Nicholas. He has the last fish of the day. Nicholas, what are you gonna say about today's fishing?
It was kind of slow. I think it's had to do with the alligators being right there present.
That's mine. Yeah, alligator just kind of messed up the. Yeah, that pliers is like kind of weird, eh? Yeah, like that. Oh, hot potato.
Potato.
Pick him up. So it is Christmas Eve and we're here with the entire family and we're opening stockings together because that's a nice little tradition. Hi Mando, that's the new mommy. Hi Christina, she's like a new but also old time mommy. It's Peter, Jackie, Richie, Fuzz is behind Jackie, Max, Caroline. Everybody, say hi to the vlog. Squad. Yeah. Did you all enjoy your stockings, guys?
Yes.
Alright guys, so now it's my turn to open the stocking. What is your favorite? The ganja split? Okay. Oh, I love jerky. Hello. I guess this is a hint for me and you? Throw that the fuck away. Listen, we're there, Florida. We don't need this. Alright. Next up.
That Santa climbing the ladder thing was funny.
Hold on. You got one of these? Oh, guys, do you know what this is? I didn't even eat Scotch bonnet until 2019. So guys, this is a stocking and I am super grateful. Thank you guys so much. I love you all. You're all awesome. Right, so I'm going to go prepare because we're going to do this chip challenge. No.
Max, what you just said? What you just said? Say it again.
Merry Christmas, squad.
You hear that? Big up. You said, Caroline, come.
Merry Christmas, squad.
Oh, she said one cute today where she said,
Merry Christmas,
Alright, mommy feeling left out. We'll get alright, come.
Merry Christmas, squad.
Bumbo clock.
Made don't put the chili in it.
Here's the setup. We're doing it with a big bad Diana. We're doing a little unboxing.
Not even tight, sis tight.
You beat it? Alright guys, so this is how it looks on the inside. Says 1 chip challenge, you versus the Reaper. I'm gonna reap this Ross right now.
You going to put that whole thing in your mouth? Please nominate somebody other than me to give you mouth to mouth when you start can't breathe.
When you start can't breathe. What you saying?
Don't eat anymore.
Alright, yo, James, let's do it. Go on through.
Wait, do I start with
Just
this
send
piece?
it.
Do I start with this piece?
No, just eat the fucking whole thing. I
Oh
mean,
my god, you foolish fucker. Watch out. You stupid fuck.
you can't eat the milk, drink the milk yet. Just hold on, man.
You also fucking made it touch your lips. That's not good, bro.
Okay, stop making me laugh.
You're gonna shit fire. I can't swallow.
It's alright, man. You're good.
Christine's husband was
Milk can't help you, bro.
Richie, you need the video.
Oh God, why are they?
You okay?
It's hot as shit.
How it feel?
You can't help it that hot if you're done already. You ate the whole thing?
Oh, I'm crying. Oh my God, it's getting worse.
You don't start it.
Imagine how your body was
Right there.
I can't do this.
No, that shit is hot still.
Dog.
James is crying, big tears.
Close up on the tears.
Dog. I feel like when my first girl left me. Oh my God.
Oh God.
I'm gonna need white bread for wipe my body later.
I need to leave. No, put that cover.
Oh my god.
Only one thing could fix this. I'm happy that.
Just get drunk.
Is that possible? Is that possible to pop the internal in here?
How long does this last?
Guys, don't make me laugh anymore.
Does it taste good at least?
Yeah.
I'm fucking nervous.
Go. You know who else is a fucking idiot? Him. Oh God.
Why should you doing it?
1 minute later.
It's still burning.
I make my dance.
Oh my fuck. Oh my gosh.
Yo, he genuinely was like, it's not that bad. Like a chorizo.
Yeah, it didn't kick bad at the start, but it kicks in.
Why are they getting worse? No, you want to know the worst part? If you jump in that pool of water, it warms, so nothing will cool it down.
Max, watch out. Richard, come, where are they?
Mona leap, brother.
You two dumb fuckers. Watch
Yo, I want to tell you something. How long ago do you think I did it?
Go down my tongue.
How long ago do you think I did it? Because it's getting worse for me and him just start.
My orifices are
You
leaking.
started about 8 minutes ago.
I am crying.
No, that thing is hot still.
Alright, hold on.
James, Richie started 4 minutes after.
They have to drink the milk.
Huh.
You're gonna swim?
I wonder if we should do the Richie one.
No. You don't want.
Yo, it's hurting really badly.
Then jump in the pool.
It's so bad. No, drink little bits and keep it in your mouth long. I'm learning.
Oh God. Guys, I feel.
All worse, like
That's well.
I have a big bottom lip and it is all over my foot.
Why you made me laugh?
That is funny.
Squad, I did this for you. So make sure you go to www.toplodgeja.com and buy the merch so I can keep doing this shit.
Bro, it just doesn't fucking stop, man.
I told you I did it 4 minutes before you Nick said according to time. It is getting worse.
It's still burning?
I ate the whole chip.
So did Richie.
Get me another
Oh
carton.
no, he ate. Well, he ate most of it.
There are, look here. Oh my God.
I think I want to need the oxycodone tonight.
I haven't drank this much milk since fucking prep school.
I've got this much milk since I was on the tip.
Question, what's the name of Daniel Schwab's dog again?
Makeup.
Makeup.
You was a proper Welsh.
Oh,
Kind of a burp, bro. If a burp, you guys see fire come on.
Mom messaged the group like immediately. Oh, they post on. Oh, they posted on social media.
I said that earlier.
Oh no. That was entertaining.
Yo, someone get me a piece of bread, please. No one? No one? Alright, fuck you.
What do you have to say about that performance?
Eat milk.
Dog. That was the worst performance of my first time having sex.
MOB.
Oh, fuck. Ah, I touched my lip with a powder. Ah. Beat it off.
Put some sugar. James, put some sugar in your mouth. Put some sugar in your mouth.
So it's a tissue?
No, sugar.
Nothing helps, bro.
Nothing else. It's sugar in your
Pour the 8 spoon. Ah. I'm going to faint tonight, squad. Blood clot. What milk right now?
This is grandma.
You know, I have a great subscriber named Palace Kingpin, and he once commented on a video. James, you don't really need to do all this crazy stuff all the time. You can just chill sometime with us, you know? You're right. Fuck me. Oh God. Alright. I think I can handle it now.
COVID.
Whatever COVID I had in my body, that fucking chip
Just kill it.
killed it.
Alright. Hold on. Peter can be mean, but he held the camera and tricked Richie into doing it, so big up Peter, come here, yeah, big up. All gone squad, thanks for watching the video. Very happy to have you guys here. Before you go, please just remember to like and subscribe. It'll mean the world to us. Thank you, see you soon.